Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Cars Nation, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we have got some big news straight from the heart of the automotive industry. The CEO of General Motors has just revealed 6 stunning new cars for 2025, and we're here to break it all down for you. From futuristic designs and to cutting edge technology, GM is shaking up the game. You don't want to miss this. So, let's dive right into it. Grab a snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the 6 new rides that GM is gearing up to release in 2025. First up, GM is all-in-one electrification. The CEO revealed their brand new electric sedan that's set to hit the market in 2025. This sleek beauty is more than just a car, it's a statement. Designed for the modern drivers, it boasts a range over 400 miles on a single charge. That's right, no more range anxiety on those long road trips. And let's talk about speed. This car might be eco-friendly, but it's no slouch on the track. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4 seconds, this sedan brings together both performance and sustainability. It's perfect for those who want a smooth, fast ride without sacrificing the environment. GM is positioning as their flagship EV sedan, rivaling the likes of Tesla's Model S and Lucid Air. Inside, you'll find a spacious, high-tech cabin featuring the latest in infotainment and autonomous driving capabilities. This sedan truly represents the future of luxury electric vehicles. Next on the list, GM is rolling out a brand new electric SUV that promises to take the market by storm. Now, we all know how popular SUVs have become in recent years, but GM has taken things up a notch. This 2025 model offers rugged performance, ample space, and of course, full electrification. It comes equipped with GM's proprietary Ultium battery technology, giving it a range of around 50 miles on a full charge. Whether you are navigating city streets or tackling off-road terrains, this SUV has the versatility to handle it all. And don't forget it's loaded with cutting-edge features like adaptive cruise control, advanced parking assistance, and a panoramic sunroof that gives it a spacious and premium feel. The new SUV is also said to be highly customizable, from interior finishes to tech packages, making it the perfect vehicle for families and adventurers alike. Now, for all you speed enthusiasts, GM isn't leaving you behind. One of the most exciting reveals in the 2025 electric sports car. This is where performance meets precision. Imagine a car that not only looks fast but is fast. We're talking a top speed of over 200 miles per hour and an acceleration that leaves its competitors in the dust. With its lightweight body and aerodynamic design, this electric sports car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. And the best part, it's fully electric, no need to compromise speed for sustainability anymore. GM has equipped it with their latest battery tech, ensuring both top tire performance and respectable 300-mile range. From the sharp lines of its exterior to the luxurious tech-laden interior, this car is built for the driver who wants it all: power, prestige, and low carbon footprint. Let's switch gear for a moment. For families, GM has something truly special: a reimagined family minivan for 2025. Now, we know the word minivan doesn't always scream excitement, but this one changes the game. It's a smart, connected vehicle that packed with safety features. With seating of up to 7 passengers and plenty of storage, this minivan offers a spacious and comfortable ride. But what's truly impressive is this technology suite. It includes an intelligent navigation system, hands-free driving modes, and state-of-the-art entertainment options to keep occupied the kids during long trips. Plus, with GM's all-electric platform, it's incredibly efficient, offering around 300 miles of range on a full charge. For eco-conscious families looking for a smart solution, this minivan is a perfect choice. Of course, no lineup would be complete without a rugged pickup truck, and GM's 2025 reveal doesn't disappoint. This electric pickup is built for the toughest jobs and the most demanding terrains. With a towing capacity of over 10,000 pounds and an impressive 450-mile range, this truck is a true workhorse. Whether you're hauling equipment to a job site or going off-roading for the weekend, this truck can handle it all. It's also packed with smart features like multi-flex tailgates, advanced tailoring tech, and a hands-free driving system to make your workday easier. And let's not forget about its bold design, aggressive front grille, and massive wheels that gives it a commanding presence on the road. If you're someone who needs power and durability in an eco-friendly package, GM's new electric pickup is the one off to watch. Last but not least, GM is also focusing on urban drivers with their new 2025 compact city car. This little guy is perfect for navigating busy streets, parking in tight spots, and maximizing efficiency in a crowded urban environment. With a sleek design and an affordable price point, this compact EV is ideal for city dwellers looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Don't be fooled by its size, though. It's packed with features including a surprisingly spacious interior and modern tech integration, and of course, GM's latest battery technology offering a solid 250 miles of range. Perfect for daily commutes, grocery runs, or zipping around town, this compact city car is a smart and stylish choice for urban living. So, there you have it, GM's 6 incredible new vehicles for 2025. This electric sedans to rugged pickups and family-friendly minivans, there's something for everyone in this lineup. GM is clearly doubling on electrification and smart tech, and we can't wait to see these cars hit the roads. Which one are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and of course make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more updates on the latest in automotive innovations. Thanks for watching and see you next time.